Get over here. Hey guys, we are live. I think Kyle's pulling it up too. So if you're here with us already, thanks for joining us. We wanted to do something a little different today. Are we live? Is it on?
That's on.
It's on. Okay, he says it's on. So remember to talk to us. Comment below. Kyle's got the tablet up. It's going to have a little bit of a delay, but we'll be able to see them. Can you hand me that? Okay, in a second I have a surprise, but we're going to wait until we get some more people on. But we're going to do a project today, and here's why. See this? My gorgeous wreath for my front door. Yeah, I made that, and so I was really loving it. And we keep having, in the entryway, birds fighting. At first we had, what, little finches? I think they're finches.
Something like that.
And then we've had some robins, and they're fighting right in the covered doorway. You know, that's got the little...
Why are they fighting,
side.
Jackie?
Stop. So they're fighting and making me crazy, and figured it out. They were tearing this thing apart. So
And why were they tearing it apart?
They're tearing it apart because they're trying to make nests. So they're taking all the stuff. Okay, we gotta have this space clear because of the next part. Is Mark on?
Yeah, hold on. I'm still trying to get on this thing.
Oh boy. We need a
No, we
new
don't.
camera.
No, we don't. We're good.
So we can see everything right away. Okay. So before we start those projects, I have a secret. So I gotta get up because Kyle doesn't know what I'm doing.
Oh, Mark Hummel says, yo.
Yo, Mark.
There, now I can finally look at the camera. Hi, camera. And how is everybody's quarantine going?
You look like you're a newscaster.
Oh, I can't itch my nose on film or on the camera, I see.
Why not?
Oh, no, it looks dumb.
It looks dumb. Okay. So here we go. We have... Does anybody watch Psych?
I do.
Kyle and I were watching Psych last night, the movie, and...
Cassie Wilson says hi.
Cassie, hey. And,
That's Cassie with a Y.
If you watch Psych, they talk about, what are these called again?
Nutter butter.
Nutter butter sandwiches, which we didn't know what it was. So we looked it up, and we both were like, that's disgusting. Well, since Kyle got me last week, guess what? We're going to get Kyle. So,
I am not eating one
You
of
are,
those.
you have to. I agreed to do your stuff. That's how it works. Am I right, Mark? Am I right?
Mark says, how are you watching the video at the same time?
Well,
I don't know, Mark.
it's lagged. Shut up. Don't make fun of him. Okay, Mark, how does
Oh, I am
this
so
work?
making fun of him.
He has to do this, right? I mean, he made me do something. Isn't that the deal?
Mountain Dew. It does good.
So, Mark is our partner in crime up north.
Oh, I just got a notification. Rustic Glam Life is live now. No kidding, I'm watching it.
So, Kyle,
Oh, I'm in my nose again. Looks dumb.
can you open that?
Opening that. Maybe. See? That's what you have to say when you...
Oh, God. Here. There you go. Don't do it. Oh. Throw that away. Garbage is over there on your side. All right, we have our kitchen turned around for this because we have a project drying in the studio. We were supposed to
The
be down there.
studio. The basement.
It's set up like a studio, an art studio. So we were supposed to be down there, but the project I did late last night is not dry yet. So, and it's taking up the entire table.
Oh, Courtney says I have to eat it.
Yeah, he does. I have a feeling it's going to be gross, but...
Oh, it's probably going to be my new favorite.
Which is why
Put
we
cheese
made
on
sure
it.
we had something to drink. Only Jif. I know, we're not supposed to throw names out there, but it's the only peanut butter I eat. And my brother only ate Skippy. It was hilarious when him and I spent time together. We had to have two different peanut butters. Yeah.
And why is that?
I don't know, because I think this one tastes better. He thinks Skippy tastes better. What's your Let's do a poll. What's your favorite? Skippy or Jif, or do you have a different one?
Or generic dollar store dog peanut butter.
Oh, our dogs don't even like it.
Oh, they'll eat it.
I mean, they love peanut butter. Oh, I'm just...
It doesn't even spread.
It does too. And according to New Englanders...
Oh, hey,
which
Mark
is where,
started to watch the party.
all right,
Well, okay.
where this is a big deal in New England, I read last night, by the way, it goes back centuries.
She went to Columbia Heights. She can read.
Oh. To the guy that invented marshmallow fluff. He's so
Fluffer Nutter? Nutter Fluffer?
You know who I feel like right now?
Who?
Who's that guy on Cheers that like always knows
Norm?
trivia? No, not Norm.
Oh,
Norm
Cliff.
sits there and drinks
No,
beer.
Cliff Clavin.
Cliff Clavin.
Wow, this thing is lagged. I just put my Mountain Dew can up.
Wow.
Wow.
All right, here we go. Okay, peanut butter on half. Marshmallow cream on half.
Need some chocolate in there. That'd be a pretty
That
good
would be
deal.
okay.
That'd be okay. All right, here we go.
I'm not even gonna cut it just because.
Well, see, now it's not like nearly as long. Now you're just putting the sandwich together.
Oh, I'm scared.
Oh, I got like 3 chins already. When I go like this.
So have another one of these.
Have another one of these. It's not bad. It's not bad at all.
It's really not. No, it's not. And I was expecting this, but you know, you're not getting poked. Okay, so look at this is mine. Can you see that? It's nice and neat. I just pulled them together like this, okay, and then push the stuff. Hey, I'm doing yours. You're supposed to be down here doing your own. He's getting something. Oh! They're getting used to you. Oh, come here, I love you. I was wondering what you went to get. Oh my god. See, if you're gonna have a quarantine buddy, make it a good one. I made a good choice. Alright, so I'm just bending this together. So we can get Kyle's ready. You know what? Here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna hang these in a tree or by the door so that the birds can get to them. It really doesn't matter. Otherwise, you can always take a little piece of wire, any wire, jewelry wire. Pipe cleaners, we have to call them chenille stems now, right? They're chenille stems. And you can just kind of put this in there. No big deal. Okay, boom. We're done with that, right?
Did you know that bananas float in water because they're less dense in comparison?
Really? Now who's Cliff Clavin? Alright, so here is... Oh my god, the dog's made a mess over here.
I don't know what you're talking about.
So here is our materials. Cotton batting,
Cotton batting.
okay?
But there's no bats were killed in the making of this.
No, none. We do have some crinkled paper, okay? What else? Cotton balls.
No balls were killed in the making of those.
Just miscellaneous yarn and string and twine. It doesn't really matter. Try not to use anything like with glitter or anything. You could take just strips of an old sheet, just make them tiny, whatever you want. Okay, so we have this. So should we just dump that? Yeah. Let's just dump that. Okay, we have
I'm wearing a
moss.
banana.
We have moss. Okay, we need your stuff now.
Oh, I've got dog hair.
Oh yeah, hair. This is a big one. So I read about what you should put in, and it talked about trying to use natural things, which is why we are using, natural yarns and paper and cotton and hair, like human hair.
Cassie says, "What are you making?" I was distracted by the banana suit.
Okay.
It's a hat for birds or bananas. This is my banana hat cage.
Banana cage hat.
Hat cage. Cage hat.
Cage.
If I put tinfoil around it, then the banana overlords can't see into my banana brain.
Okay, take hair out of your brush or when you pet your animals. When you brush your pets.
Okay, and I also have leaves and grass assorted.
And twigs.
And twigs.
Just crap from outside.
Well, no, we don't have any crap. Do not put crap in your banana cage hat. Hat cage.
Okay, take your cage. Cassie, we're making... Didn't you
bird nest stuff.
Yeah. Bird nest. Do you want to make yours? Okay. Mine's standing. All right, here we go. So then they'll leave all the rest of your stuff alone. Okay, so we're just going to put stuff in here.
Moving the camera.
Well, did I?
You did.
I think I have see-through leggings on too. Real nice.
Bananas grow on plants that are officially called an herb.
Cliff Clavin. Okay, so, ooh, look at this one's really cool.
Yeah,
you have to
good.
fill yours. You have to do your own. That's how it works.
That's how it works?
Yeah.
Okay, we're going to try some batting first. Yeah.
Ugh.
And remember, the birds will be very thankful for this.
Yeah.
I'm going more natural with
And you're going to make a mess.
grass.
So, by the way.
Oh, and for people that are doing this with their children, make sure that when you're cinching up your chicken wire that you push in all the little edges because there will be sharp edges.
And that you don't let them do that.
I got the thing on my head in there.
You could do this too with old nylons or tights or the leg of a pant. Just cut lots of holes in it and the birds will pull this stuff out. Okay, can I have some of that?
I gotta straighten out my hat.
We'll just put some stuffing in there. He looks like a coat. I want some of that.
If you weren't so itchy, I'd put it down your shirt.
Oh, God. That'd be it. We'd be done filming right now.
Oh, I can't use that all. Yeah.
You can. Cut these pieces. I just have a bunch of
And this is the
stuff.
perfect time of year